Day 11 on the good ship Cerulean, and it's washing day again for Jeremy. There he is, with his twin tub tumble dryer. We've got Phil here, just relaxing. He's just come off watch, he's got his book. That's what he'll be doing for most of the rest of the day. This is Richard, who's in a moment of delirium has decided he needs some exercise, and so he's put his running gear on to go running. It's the sun, must have got to him. 4:30 in the afternoon, the swell has picked up. We're just heading towards the setting sun in a westerly direction. Show that not every day starts off hot and sunny. It's 7 o'clock on Monday the 8th of December, and if you can see the clouds behind, you can see it's a bit of a grey start, 24 knots of wind, and we're doing 8.5 knots under a one reefed main and very little genoa out. The sea's got up, there's, I don't know if you can see that, quite a big swell behind me, it's about 4 metres. I don't know if you can actually hear this in the wind. And the sun, that is just the sun coming through towards the end. Richard's downstairs on the radio net. I've been on watch since 3 till 6 o'clock, and then Richard's on watch 6 till 10, but he's had to do the radio net, so I've come back upstairs again. It's a bit blustery out here. Watch the sun rising in the distance.